Come test drive the 2017 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, backup camera, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, OnStar Communication System, cruise control, trip computer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.